Hello everyone, my name is Amit and in this video we are going to learn concept of transpose of a matrix. Suppose there is a matrix B, then its transpose is denoted by P raised to T. Now how to create a transpose? Suppose in matrix B there are three rows named as R1, R2 and R3. They will become three columns in B transpose, that is R1, R2 and R3 as columns. Similarly, suppose in matrix B there are three columns named as C1, C2 and C3. They will become three rows in B transpose, that is C1, C2 and C3. So, transpose of a matrix B can be obtained from the matrix B by interchanging its rows and column. Transpose can be denoted by B raised to T or B dash. Now, let's understand the concept of a transpose with the help of an example. Suppose there is a matrix A. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. Then its transpose A raised to T will be. Now we will select first row of A. That will become the first column of A raised to T. That is 1 and 2. We will select second row of A. That will become the second column of A raised to T. That is 3 and 4. So by basically interchanging rows and columns, we created a transpose of matrix A. Let's look at another example. Suppose there is a matrix B which has two rows and three columns. So its transpose will have three rows and two columns. Now, how to create a transpose? We will select first row. It will become the first column of B raised to T, that is 5 minus 6 and 3. We will select second row of B, that will become second column of B raised to T, that is 7, 8 and 4. So basically by interchanging rows and columns, we created the transpose of matrix B. Let's look at another example. Suppose there is a matrix A which has three rows and three columns. Now if we want to find its A transpose, we'll select first row, that will become the first column of A raised to T, that is 1, 2 and 3. We will select second row, that will become second column of A transpose, that is 4, 5 and 6. We will select third row, that will become third column of A raised to T, that is A transpose, that is 7, 8 and 9. So by interchanging rows and columns, we created a transpose. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching this video.